Stop. Before you say, I am very tired, let me tell you this. Most English learners use perfectly correct sentences. But native speakers don't talk like that at all. In this video, I'm going to show you what you say vs. what native speakers really say. And I promise you, the differences will shock you, and they'll instantly make you sound more natural. So stay with me till the end, because the last one is something even advanced speakers get wrong. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to sound more confident, natural, and fluent in English, this video is exactly what you need. Let's jump straight in. 1. I am very tired. I'm exhausted. I'm dead tired. What you say, I am very tired. What natives say, I'm exhausted, or I'm dead tired. Natives rarely say very. They use stronger, natural words. So I don't know, no idea, not sure. What you say, I don't know. Natives, no idea, not sure. Beats me. Short, fast, natural. 3. Can you help me? Can you give me a hand? This one surprises many learners. Natives love using expressions instead of plain sentences. 4. I'm busy. I'm swamped. Swamped. You have too many things to do. Sounds much more natural. I'll think about it. I'll sleep on it. This means you'll decide later. Very common and sounds smart. 6. I'm joking. I'm messing with you. Native speakers use this way more. 7. Are you angry? Are you upset? What's wrong? Natives soften the language to be polite. It's very important. It's crucial. Again, replacing very makes English stronger. 9. Hurry up. Come on, let's go. More natural, less aggressive. 10. I don't have money. I'm broke. A classic native expression. Wait, before you continue. If you want to sound natural, not robotic, you must know the next phrases. These are phrases natives use every single day, and if you use them, people will think you've lived in an English-speaking country for years. All right, let's continue. And I'm not sure. I'm on the fence. Means you can't decide yet. Supernatural. 12. I'm listening. I'm all ears. 13. You're welcome. No worries. Anytime. Friendly and modern. 14. Calm down. Take it easy. Natives rarely say calm down unless they're angry. 15. I understand. I get it. Makes sense. Short and native. 16. It's okay. You're good. All good. Very common in daily speech. Final shock. Most English learners say, how old are you? That's correct, but native speakers don't use it in casual conversations. They often say, what's your age? Formal situations. So how old are you again? Friendly. Or they avoid the question and ask, when's your birthday? This is the part many learners get wrong, but now you won't. If you want part 2 with more shocking native phrases, just comment part 2 and hit like so we can boost this video to more English learners. Subscribe for more native sounding English.